Hey y'all, this is in the ANC collection. This is our 16-inch closure, 18-inch, 20-inch, 20-inch bundles in the straight. I'm gonna show you how I straighten this. It is already deep conditioned. I just see it is a little bit flat. Bundles are, closure is bleached, but yeah. So, as I said before, this is the next day. I did end up straightening my hair when I said I was going to, but I'm going to do it today. This is it. This is our line. We're going to start straightening this. One thing I do recommend is having a heat protected. I usually use one, but I cannot find the one I typically use. It's usually the one from Tresemme. I would use a heat protected. This is the first time I'm straightening this hair, so I'm not too worried about it, but that's something I definitely recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and part. I'm gonna use this clip to clip off the rest of the hair. Again, this is not like a perfect method. I'm not really too specific on the way I straighten my hair, as long as it looks straight. I usually don't do all this unless it's after a big wash. But yeah, I just want to make sure to get this thing bone straight, because I love hair that's bone straight. So usually when I straighten my hair, I usually part at the tracks, and then I take sections and I just go down with my straightener. So I repeat the same method throughout my whole unit. Like I said before, I part at the track. I go ahead and I clip up the hair, and then I use a fine tooth comb and I brush through the section because it's easier to straighten on undetangled hair. So let me tell you a little bit more about the ANC collection. So the ANC collection is just more than just hair. Our mission is to build our community with the resources that we've been given. So with every bundle bought, we give $1 to charity or use the profits from the month from donations to purchase goods for charity. You can purchase this style as well as others on our website, which is www.shopwithac.com. So when I get closer to the top, then I start using my hot comb just to make it flat before I get to the closure. I've already straightened it, but I just go through with my hot comb to make sure it's flat before I get to the top. So it is slowly coming together, and for the closure, we're going to incorporate more of the hot comb. how straight that got. Look at that's the type of bone straight you're looking for. We're not done yet, but we're almost there. We're just gonna hot comb the top so it can get flatter, because it's a bit bumpy. Take this hot comb and we're just going to go through it like this. I'm gonna go through it. We're gonna use the back of it. That kind of helps it become a bit flatter as well. This took me about 20 minutes to do, and look at the results. I like to call this the Black Rapunzel, a new twist on Rapunzel. This is a clip of me styling it for our photo shoot. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys get the Black Rapunzel look as well. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next. Deuces!